Don't need the question. No, thanks. Yeah, you can ask me the question.
Something very close to you.
Oh, okay, cool. Great. Excellent. The user experience and user interface design course that's been designed is designed as a cohort-based course, right? Which essentially means that it's got live classes and it's got your own time where you can learn stuff conceptually, and it's got assignments that you've got to do, which is close to real life assignments that is there that will actually bring in those pieces. You as a cohort might be sitting in multiple places, but you will interact with yourself, with the people in your cohort, learn from the tutor who's going to be teaching live thrice a week or twice a week, depending on the kind of engagement that you have. Plus, additionally, you will also learn from your own cohort, your groups that you work with, your huddles that you do, and workshops that are a part of these courses. And that's the method in which the learning is going to happen, which is a very different way in which you learn compared to an asynchronous video-based learning where you just watch videos and learn. This is very different from that. We believe in the idea of the ability to interact with the teachers, interact with one another to learn better, because it's about learning by doing in a remote situation and as a cohort.